Hey, sweet mama, I'm so glad you stopped by today. Let's take a few quiet minutes together and go through a simple one-side pumping session. I am placing the pump on one breast and making sure it feels comfortable before I start. I begin with soft, gentle squeezes and keep a slow pace. I never force it, I just let my body settle into the rhythm. After the first minute, I continue pumping with steady pressure that feels comfortable for me. I try not to watch the bottle too much while I'm pumping. Instead, I focus on staying relaxed, breathing normally, and letting my body do the work. Every day is a little different, and that's completely normal. Some sessions are quick, while others take a bit more patience. Once the side feels softer and the milk flow naturally slows down, I know it's time to finish. Here's everything we collected today. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this little pumping routine brought you a moment of peace and made your day just a little brighter. Take good care of yourself, mama, and I'll see you in the next video.